What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news. I have to say that we have a bunch of negative news and I will try to predict how long this news will affect the price of NIO. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we were forming some kind of symmetrical triangle, and this triangle might break either way. And as you can see, we broke this range to the upside, but we didn't hold this support line, and we went lower, pretty much retested this range of support and went even lower. And for now, we are hovering at the range of roughly $20 price point. It is the support range that I marked previously from previous swing highs and swing lows. And we have a very good confluence with some Fibonacci levels, and I have to say that we completed all 5 wave structure right here from this bottom, from its swing low of $13 to this swing high of $24.40. And I have to say that this retracement wasn't a huge surprise for me, and I will show you how you can identify these movements. So, and for now, let's continue with the fundamental news, and let me show you why we have this decrease in NIO's price. First of all, let me show you this article. It was published 1 day ago on Investor Place, and it's titled, "Why is NIO stock down today?" And let me quote you this. CNBC Post reported that Zhang Jinyon, NIO's Associate Vice President of Autonomous Driving and Head of Autonomous Driving System Engineering, is leaving the company. Definitely by itself, this news might affect the price of NIO in a negative manner. But let me quote you further. However, Zhang Yong's departure was in good spirit. The executive reportedly plans to start his own automotive chip startup. On top of that, NIO CEO William Li has expressed interest in investing in the startup. In the long term, this may potentially benefit NIO's business if the startup is successful. Realistically, it is still way too early to draw any conclusion from Jin Yong's departure. And that is why this news wasn't the real catalyst, the real negative catalyst for NIO, but definitely it was some spark that ignited the initial movement to the downside. And let me quote you further this article, and I have to say that this article is pretty much bullish. We all know that NIO recently was successfully listed on Hong Kong Stock Exchange. On top of that, the main positive news that I covered in my previous video is summarized right here. The China Securities Regulatory Commission announced last week that it had begun drafting a framework to allow the more than 200 Chinese companies listed on US exchanges to stay listed. Furthermore, it was reported that the Chinese government is aware some Chinese companies may be delisted from US exchanges. This is because certain Chinese companies may own information that would compromise national security if shared. And I have to say that for now we don't have any updates from Security and Exchange Commission, and definitely we have to wait this answer, because if SEC will be satisfied with the first step of Chinese regulators, definitely the risks of delisting Chinese companies will be completely eliminated. But so far we have to wait this news, and until it happens, we have to be very cautious. On top of that, right here, as you can see, we have a new price target from UBS analyst Paul Gong, and he set his price target from $46 to $32 with a buy rating. And let me quote you his comment. He noted that NIO is down 44% in the past 12 months. On the other hand, the EV company is expected to launch 3 new models this year that could drive sales acceleration. UBS proprietary survey also revealed that the company is gaining increased brand recognition. And definitely, despite of this reduction in price, it is still very good upside potential. So, and let me show you the latest news that might drive the price of this company lower even further. And we are on cnvpost.com, and this article was published on April the 9th, just several hours ago, and it says, NIO suspends production as COVID hits its supply chain. And let me quote you this. NIO said today that it has suspended production as COVID has caused partners in its supply chain to shut down production. Since March, NIO's supply chain partners in Jilin, Shanghai, Yangzhou and many other locations have suspended production because of the COVID outbreak and have yet to resume, it said in a statement on the NIO app today. Due to these factors, NIO's vehicle production has been suspended, the statement said, adding, there will be a delay in the delivery of vehicles for many customers in the near future, and we ask for your understanding. NIO will work with its supply chain partners to resume production and deliver vehicles as soon as possible, while meeting COVID control requirements, it said. And I have to say that NIO is the last plant that shut down its production, because we have Tesla Shanghai that closed for almost 2 weeks, 13 days to be more precise. And definitely this might affect, and this will affect all of the electric vehicle manufacturers and basically all of the Chinese companies, because for now we don't know how long will it last. But let me show you some information. We are on worldmatters.info, and this is the data related to COVID-19 cases. And let me show you that China is on the 114th place with only 163,042 cases in total. And they have increased in new cases for about 1,350. But let me show you this number. The number of recovered people is much higher than the number of new cases. This means potentially we might see the relief in this outbreak, and definitely from this point I don't think that it might last more than several days. And let me show you these charts. We are on the same website, and right here we can see active cases in China, and right here we have this spike, but then we have this turnover, and we have some relief in new cases. Definitely we might see the same pattern as we saw right here, because China has very strict rules on COVID outbreak, and that's why, in my opinion, it won't last for the long time. That is why definitely we will see some negative pressure on NIO's price, but I think it won't last for a long time. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you that we completed all 5 wave structure, and on the first glance we have some gibberish right here, but let me show you this breakdown. We had this 5 wave structure as a leading first wave diagonal, and from this top we have, let me show you, this as our 3 waves into the A wave, this is our B wave, and this is our C wave. And from this point we have, this is our first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth, again simple zigzag in the retracement, and we have first, second, third, fourth and fifth wave right here, and this means we completed all 5 wave structure, and this means we have to project the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top. And definitely this pattern is also a leading first wave diagonal. As you can see, it has some kind of curvature to the right side, and we had leading first wave diagonal on the internal wave, and we have the external wave also in the shape of leading first wave diagonal. And these ranges, if I pull the Fibonacci from the bottom to the top, are very important for this asset. As you can see, we hit exactly to the tick 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and most likely in upcoming week we might see lower price targets, and this might be the 0.5 at the price point of $18.66, and right here at the golden pocket range at roughly $17 price point. This means if you want to invest in this asset, and if you want to catch next trade, the levels from 0.382 from $20 all the way through 18.66 all the way down to $17 might be your accumulation point if you want to catch next leg to the upside. And the price target for now is still the same. The closest price target is right here at $24.4. It is the previous swing high, and we have to break this range in order to establish on a higher time frame higher highs and higher lows. And I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this